want to run these ends to the floor, detached toe kick, but he also wanted these holes bored on the ends to the floor. By hitting the ends button over here, we can simply click of a button, run these ends to the floor by using this right here. Now, this boring of the holes down here into this piece. Select the line bore group here. They're all selected. Now up here in quantity, check, let's say 2 or 3 more, right? We've added 2 or 3 holes, right? They're coming up top there. Thing is, we need to move them down. You would have to adjust the X axis digit. And I want the first hole to be up 3/8 of an inch from the bottom. In fact, I want it 3/8 of an inch from the top as well. Now that I've added the extra holes, all those holes that were up here are fit perfectly on the piece. And that is how you quickly add holes to the ends of your piece in Mozaik Software. First things first, within the product editor, always have your View 3D product box open on the side while you work. Super helpful so you can see changes in real time. If you got some value out of this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mozaik tips, and contact me for Mozaik training.